Hi everyone. We all know there are plenty and plenty of shortcuts in an Excel. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn the top and the most effective shortcuts in an Excel. One of the most effective shortcut in an Excel is Control T. So this Control T will help us to create a quick table of the data. So it is one of the most frequently used shortcut in an Excel. So how we create this one is just select the data range and click Control key. It will auto created this the data in a tabular form, and you can find a lot of filters, and even you can customize this as a pivot table too. This feature will help us a lot in Excel. And the number second shortcut is Control D. So this shortcut will help us to create the duplicate of the up record to the downwards. That means, suppose if there is a data placed in G742, and if I press Control D, it will duplicate the above value to the below cell. In the similar way, we can use Control R as well. So Control R will copy and paste and duplicate the right side data of the cell. If you see here, the cell I742, and I press the Control R, and you observe the value here how it get changed. In the similar manner, another shortcut key which is the most frequently shortcut key which we are using is Control Shift L. So Control Shift L, if we select the data or the row, and if we press Control Shift L, it will create a filter to the entire row, and it will create a filter to the each row to the entire data set. And you can enable or disable by using the Control Shift key. And the next one is Control up arrow, down arrow, and up arrow, down arrow, and right arrow, and left arrow. So if you want to reach the extreme end of the Excel sheet, so by pressing Control down arrow, we can reach to the extreme bottom, and Control right arrow will takes you to the extreme right, and Control left arrow will takes you to the data to the extreme left. And the another shortcut key is Control 1. So Control 1 will pop up the window format. So if you want to format any cell, there are lot of ways. We can click we can on the home tab, we can select some font styles or some font painter. So many are there, but the best way is, even we can right click and select format cells, but the best way is select the cell and press Control 1. It will gives the total format cell features, and we can customize whatever the way we required. Next one is Control G. So Control G will like a go to some particular address. So if we press Control G, and we can directly jump from one cell to another cell. Suppose if the data is at A1 and I want to jump to some A100, and if I give a cell reference A100, it will jumps to the A100. And the another way is Control G, we have some special go to special. If I want to go to the blank cells, so I just select the blank cells, and automatically it will shows the blank cells. Only in the similar way, we can search for formulas, and we can search for some particular font like that. So this Control G will also helps us a lot for quick data search. And the next one is F2. Alt ESV. Alt ESV stands for the paste special values. Suppose if there is some data is there, I want to copy and pasting in somewhere, so it will copy and paste all the features of that cell. But if I want to copy the data and paste on somewhere, and with some particular values or some particular properties from that cell, so you can select that entire row and place the cell wherever and use alt esv. Now I am pasting only the values here, so the values only get pasted here and it ignores the format. Okay, so now I am selected the values and click ok. If you see here, the only the values get pasted here. Now I am pasting the format, and if I click ok and on the format, and if you observe, so the format also get pasted here. In the same way we can copy and paste the formulas as well. Okay, and this is one of the best shortcut key we can say. And the another one is another most frequent shortcut key is F2. F2 will help us to edit the formula very quickly. You just place the cursor at there and press F2 and it will enables to edit the cell and as well as the formula. Another most frequently used shortcut is F4. So in general, F4 we use it to get the dollar symbol and to show the reference in an Excel, like absolute reference of and relative reference. And the another way we use the F4 function key is to clone the previous action. Suppose see here in this cell I highlighted that font color in red color, and now I just place the cell here and pressing F4 on the selected cell, so it just clone or get the whatever the previous action I did on the previous cell is just a clone on the cell G3. So this is one of the most effective shortcut in an Excel we can tell. Actually there are lots and lots and thousands of shortcuts in an Excel, but by using an alt key we can customize our own shortcuts in an Excel. Let us see how we can customize this. Let's press alt key. Once if we press an alt key over here, you can observe that there are letters or pop up alphabets and numbers and alphabets. So these are respective to that action keys. Suppose if I want to do some sorting technique from the home tab, let's press alt key and then after press H key, and then you can see here at the sorting you will find like sort from lower to higher and higher to lower. So for that some respective key is H is there. Now I am selecting that H key, and now by selecting that H key it is asking to me to sort the data in some manner. Now the data gets sorted. So in this manner also we can create and customize our own shortcut keys. Hope this video tutorial will help you all and find out you the top 10 most powerful shortcut keys in an Excel. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit on like button and subscribe learners page.